Well, I guess I'm temporarily done. We couldn't come to grips with the color of the paint they wanted to use on the floor of the carport. So we postponed it until we can make a better choice at some point in the future. But in the meantime, today I ordered the ceramic coating for my bike, which should be here next week. And I also ordered new brake pads. The bike is about 6,800 miles on it. And I decided as a little treat to myself and the bike, I would put new pads on it. And give it the ceramic coating. He got a great review. He's done a couple of his bikes with ceramic coating, and I'm trying his latest, the latest product that he highly recommended. Buy it out of Amazon, at least that's where he had it listed. There are other locations as well. But at the time he reviewed it about 2 or 3 months ago, it was $80 for the complete package. And today I ordered it and it was 101. So we'll see what happens. But I will be doing that shortly. The weather's getting warm enough to get out here and play. So stand by and we'll talk to you soon.